Hello everyone, my name is Priyangsha Jain, and I warmly welcome you to EncycloHub. In this video, I have something very useful for all NIOS students of Class 12, especially those looking for help with Urdu TMA solutions. Yes, I'm providing complete and accurate solutions for the Class 12 Urdu Tutor marked assignment, TMA. Carefully prepared to help you score better and save your time. If you want the solutions, feel free to message me on WhatsApp at mobile phone 900 936 8238. Just send a message, and I'll guide you on how to get the solutions easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more educational help, and share it with your classmates. Thanks for watching. This is Priyangsha Jain, signing off from EncycloHub. All the best for your exams.